Unity, Unreal, and Blender are all 3D creation suites that offer free video editing features. Unity's Video Sequence Editor is a video editor that can be used to cut, trim, and add transitions to videos. The Unreal Engine Sequencer is a more powerful video editor that can be used to create cinematics and other complex video projects. And just talking from experience, you would need a really a higher levels graphics card. So if you're really looking for real high level graphics, then definitely Unreal Engine. The Blender's video editor is a versatile video editor that can be used for a variety of tasks, including editing, composing, and animation. The video editing features in these 3D creation suites are not as powerful as those in dedicated video editing software such as Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro X. However, they can be a good option for people who are looking for a free and easy way to edit videos. If you're on a tight budget and need a limited learning curve, then I recommend Blender. However, if you don't mind a slight learning curve, then I recommend Unity. But if graphics is more important to you and you don't mind a learning curve, then I recommend the Unreal Engine. Then you can use the Microsoft Clipchamp, which is also free, to jazz up your videos. Although a few of them are game engines, they can be used as video editors. I hope this helps.